Time to play a little football.
Taking all #1 spots.
Hold on. What's up, baby? Get him me. Talk to me.
If it's in front of us, we eat.
And we starving, too. A whole lot to eat. One another for 60 minutes. He's not here to impress nobody.
We're not gonna get the win. We gonna take it.
And win. Win. Fight first. Strike hard. No mercy. Let's go.
Told him I was going on. Tell my mama I love her.
I love you, mama.
We got a ball game now. Hey, you gotta love it, don't you?
Either I watch the game from here with a beer, or I go out there and I chase the quarterback.
Look at the details. Watermelon zoom.
Yeah, there's like no noise out there.
You want some Gatorade, bud? Man.
Thanks for letting me punt. I appreciate it.
Turn up!
Go.
There we go. We play this game. Yeah.
How about that defense?
Hey, dance with my dogs in the nighttime.